smartphone users. In this video I'm going to show you how to make your name to appear on your raw screen. So listen very careful and wait to the end of this video. Let's go. First of all, you go to your phone setting. When you go to your phone setting, you click on it. When you click on it, you click on display and brightness. When you click on display and brightness, you go to lock screen display. When you go there, you see it, lock screen message. Click on it, add your name or any of your nickname that you want to be seen on your raw screen. When you add it, you click save and it automatically what save. And when you go back, you will notice that the name will be appearing on your raw screen whenever you lock your screen. Let's see it here. This is it, very nice. Do you see mine? So this is how you're going to do it. You go to your setting, try this and thank me later. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do what? Subscribe for more informations and teaching. Love you all. Bye.